Bitcoin is making headlines again. It's getting closer and closer to a huge milestone, $100,000. This is a big deal for the cryptocurrency world. One reason for this surge is surprising. Former President Donald Trump. He's now supporting cryptocurrency. This has changed how people see Bitcoin. Is this the start of a new era for Bitcoin? Many experts believe it might be. They see Trump's support as a sign that Bitcoin is becoming more mainstream. After all, if a former president is behind it, it must be serious, right? This new support is making investors excited about the future of Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently reached a record high of $98,342, a milestone that has captured the attention of investors worldwide. This is the closest it's ever been to that magical $100,000 mark, a psychological barrier that many believe will be broken soon. The market is buzzing with excitement. Investors are feeling optimistic and the atmosphere is electric with anticipation. They see this record high as proof that Bitcoin is here to stay, solidifying its position as a major player in the financial world. Trump's unexpected endorsement has only added fuel to the fire, creating a surge of interest and investment in the cryptocurrency market. Since he won the election, the crypto market has grown by almost $900 billion, a staggering increase that reflects the growing confidence in digital currencies. This shows just how much confidence people have in Bitcoin right now, with many seeing it as a safe and lucrative investment. This positive sentiment is largely due to the anticipation of new crypto-friendly regulations under Trump's leadership, which many believe will further boost the market. People believe these regulations will make it easier to buy, sell, and use cryptocurrencies, integrating them more seamlessly into everyday life and commerce. Trump's support for cryptocurrency is a big change. He wasn't always a fan. In the past, he was skeptical. Now he's promising to create regulations that support crypto. He even wants to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve for the country. This change of heart has surprised many, but it's a welcome surprise for the crypto community. They see it as a sign that the government is finally taking cryptocurrency seriously. There are even talks of creating a special position in the White House just for digital asset policy. This person would have direct access to Trump, giving cryptocurrency a powerful voice in government. This would be a major step towards making cryptocurrency a normal part of our financial system. Section 4. Market reactions and predictions. The market has reacted very positively to all of this news. Investors are showing a lot of enthusiasm, and this is reflected in the rising stock prices and increased trading volumes. The overall sentiment is very bullish, indicating strong confidence in the market's future performance. Big players in the crypto world are showing their confidence. Major investors and institutions are making significant moves, which is a strong indicator of their belief in the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies. This confidence is not just limited to Bitcoin but extends to other digital assets as well. MicroStrategy, a company that owns a lot of Bitcoin, has announced plans to buy even more. This move is seen as a strategic investment, reinforcing their commitment to Bitcoin as a key asset in their portfolio. Michael Saylor, the CEO, has been very vocal about his belief in Bitcoin's future. This is a clear sign that they believe Bitcoin's value will continue to rise. The upward trend in Bitcoin's price chart is a testament to this belief. Financial analysts are optimistic, predicting that this trend will sustain in the long run. Bitcoin ETFs, another way to invest in Bitcoin, have also seen a huge increase in investment since the election. These ETFs provide a more accessible way for traditional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin, and the surge in their popularity is a clear indication of growing interest. In fact, they've reached a total of $100 billion in assets. This milestone is significant, showcasing the massive influx of capital into Bitcoin ETFs. It reflects the broader acceptance and trust in Bitcoin as a valuable investment. This surge in investment shows that people are betting big on Bitcoin's future. Large trades and increasing market capitalization are clear indicators of this trend. Investors are not just looking at short-term gains, but are confident in Bitcoin's long-term potential. Speculators, those who try to predict market trends, are no longer asking if Bitcoin will reach $100,000, but when. This shift in perspective highlights the growing consensus that Bitcoin's value will continue to rise significantly. Many analysts believe it will happen very soon. Their forecasts are based on current market trends, historical data, and the increasing adoption of Bitcoin. The general sentiment is that the $100K mark is not just a possibility, but an imminent reality. The momentum is definitely there. With strong institutional support, positive market sentiment, and increasing adoption, Bitcoin's bullish trend seems set to continue. Investors are riding this wave of momentum, confident in the cryptocurrency's future growth. Section 5. Broader implications in the future. If Bitcoin does reach $100,000, it will be a huge victory for its supporters. This milestone would not only validate the faith of early adopters, but also attract a new wave of investors. It will prove that Bitcoin is more than just a fad. This achievement would solidify its position in the financial world. It will show that it can be a reliable store of value, like digital gold. Many have already started to see Bitcoin as a hedge against traditional financial systems. This could change how we think about money and investment. The traditional financial landscape might be forced to adapt to this new reality. The Trump trade, as it's being called, is also playing a role in Bitcoin's rise. His administration's stance on cryptocurrency has been a significant factor. Investors are betting on Trump's pro-crypto policies. They are optimistic that these policies will create a favorable environment for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They believe these policies will lead to big profits. The potential for high returns is driving more people to invest in Bitcoin. However, some market analysts are cautious. They urge investors to be wary of the risks involved. They warn that the closer Bitcoin gets to $100,000, the more volatile the market will become. This volatility could lead to significant financial losses for some. This means we could see big price swings in both directions. Investors need to be prepared for the possibility of rapid changes. The future of Bitcoin is still uncertain, but one thing is clear. It's a very exciting time to be watching the crypto market. Whether you're an investor or just an observer, the developments in the cryptocurrency world are sure to keep you on the edge of your seat.